For this project, you will need 2 pieces of paper like this and about 5 inches by 5 inches. Let's start with our boat. The first step is for the bottom point up to the top point. Just like this. You need to press down really hard. Try to do your best. And fold the previous step and fold the right point over the left point. And fold the previous step and fold the right point over the left point. At this point, we will need to fold the top point down to the bottom. Now, fold the right point down like this, making as a flap. And let's do the same with the other side. And then open out the right section to the left. Just like this. Turn the paper and do the same. Now, fold the top right section down. And fold the top back, leaving a small overlap like this, and then put this overlap inside the paper. You see it? Open and put it inside. Turn over the paper, and the last step is fold the bottom part up and create a little stent. And we finish our boat.